I used to spend 15 to 20 minutes just trying to take off old nail polish. Until my boyfriend's sister taught me this awesome hack. Fill a cup or container with hot water. Put a Ziploc baggie inside the cup. Don't let any water get in. Pour some nail polish remover inside the bag. Put your hand inside the bag and rub your nails with your other fingers. Don't do this if you have any open cuts or scrapes. It'll burn like a mother. Takes about 10 seconds and voila! How did I not know this was a thing? Wash your hands well afterwards to get the nail polish remover off.